Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 won't start, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning trigger or an internal connection problem. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, potentially resulting in a costly repair down the line. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some replacement parts for the trigger mechanism. First, ensure that your Dyson SV12 is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to avoid any scratches. Carefully remove the screws located near the trigger area using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing to reveal the internal components. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now, locate the trigger assembly. This is typically situated just above the battery compartment. Inspect the trigger for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears broken, use your tweezers to carefully detach it from its connector. Be sure to note how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this during reassembly. Next, take your replacement trigger and align it with the connector. Press it firmly until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely attached. While you have the device open, it's a good idea to check any visible wires for signs of damage or disconnection. If you find any, they may need to be reconnected or replaced. Once everything is checked and the new trigger is in place, it's time to put the casing back on. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Plug in your Dyson SV12 and test the trigger to ensure it functions properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening in the future, make sure to clean your Dyson SV12 regularly and avoid forcing the trigger if it feels stuck. Keeping your device well maintained will help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.